Hey YouTube, this is the Bissell EasyVac I showed you with the broken belt probably a month ago. Sorry that I didn't get to this video sooner, just had a bunch of things going on, but it's fixed. And I just used it on this room, and you can even see the carpet lines, see right there? And it picked up a lot. This room hasn't been vacuumed in a month, and we have dogs, and it got way up here to the fault line full. Alright, so here's another review on it. So it's an easy empty container, so you just flip that switch right there, then you're able to pull this out to dump it out. Then if you want to get to the filter, you just pull this guy off. Then here's the filter. Then the HEPA is right underneath this foam right here, right there. And here's one more filter in here. In this filter, you could tell it was brand new. I mean, you could tell this vacuum was brand new. When it was tossed out, you could tell no one even bothered to replace the belt. But there's that filter. And there is one more filter on this vacuum. This one right here. And that one just is in the top, right up here. Where the hose leads. It's mildly hard to push around on even this carpet, and this is maybe medium pile. I can't imagine what it'd be like on shag. But yeah, that's it together. Here's the rear. Power, release, power cord, which isn't very long. You have to unplug it and plug it back in every room. This is good for small apartments or dorms. Well, here's the hose. It's very thin. And it just plugs in down there. And now to the fixing. I fixed that guy. Now there's a belt in there, up in that corner. So yeah, now he works. In fact, I'll show you. Let's just undo this. And here you go. Watch. So now it works, and it's got really thick brushes, so it's good for picking up dog hair and stuff. Look at that. This vacuum was clean until I just vacuumed with it. Now it's all dusty. Alright, well, that's the Bissell EasyVac, or the Bissell Model 23T7. So be sure to join me next time. I will be reviewing another vacuum I found in the trash. It is a dirt double, but its belt is broken too, so I'm gonna have a video of that one before and after. But that one's gonna go to my grandparents. Alright, so thank you for watching. Bye.